Over $2 billion wasted at the pump every single year. Not from high gas prices, from fueling habits that drain tanks faster than they should. According to AAA, the average driver loses between $400 and $800 annually on fuel mistakes they never notice. Same car, same routes. Just knowledge the gas industry profits from keeping quiet. Today, 14 fuel secrets they don't want you using. One prevents a $1,500 repair. Another changes what happens the moment you squeeze the handle. And secret number 5 costs nothing but saves hundreds every year. Let's start with something hiding inside the nozzle right now. Secret number 14, the pump speed trick. Most drivers squeeze the handle all the way down and wait. Faster fill, back on the road. But there's a reason some mechanics and fuel experts suggest slowing it down. Here's the theory. When fuel rushes through the nozzle at maximum speed, it creates turbulence. That turbulence can introduce tiny air pockets into the flow. Some technicians believe this aeration may slightly affect the accuracy of what the pump meter registers, especially on older equipment. Now, modern pumps are calibrated and inspected regularly. Vapor recovery systems capture most escaped fumes, so the effect on newer pumps may be minimal. But on older equipment or in hot weather when fuel vaporizes more easily, slowing the flow keeps fuel denser and more stable as it enters your tank. The fix takes zero effort. Use the middle setting on the nozzle. It adds maybe 20 seconds to your stop. Some drivers swear by it, others call it a myth. But given the negligible time cost, there's no downside to trying. What we know for certain is the next secret. This mistake drains over $2 billion from drivers every single year. Secret number 13, the top-tier truth. Most drivers assume all gasoline is basically the same. Regular, mid-grade, premium. Pick your octane and move on. But there's a certification the gas industry barely mentions that actually matters more than the grade you choose. It's called top tier, and it has nothing to do with octane. Top tier is a fuel standard requiring higher levels of detergent additives. These additives prevent carbon buildup on intake valves, fuel injectors, and combustion chambers. Every major automaker, from GM to BMW to Toyota, recommends top tier fuel in their vehicles. Here's what AAA found when they tested it. Fuels without the top-tier certification left 19 times more deposits on engine components. 19 times. That buildup chokes performance, kills fuel economy, and leads to costly repairs over time. The surprising part is which stations qualify. Costco, Quick Trip, and Kroger are all top-tier certified. Some of the cheapest fuel around meets the standard, while pricier stations without the certification sell you less. Look for the top-tier logo on the pump or check their official website. You might be overpaying for worse fuel without knowing it. Next, we're talking about a trap that happens before fuel even enters the underground tanks. Secret number 12, the delivery truck trap. You pull into a station and see a massive tanker parked by the pumps. Most drivers don't think twice. Convenient timing, fresh fuel just arrived. But this is one of the worst moments to fill your tank. Here's why. Underground storage tanks hold thousands of gallons of fuel. Over weeks and months, sediment settles at the bottom. Rust particles, dirt, ethanol residue, microscopic debris that sinks and stays there. When that tanker pumps fresh fuel into the tank, it stirs everything up. The turbulence suspends debris that had been sitting at the bottom for weeks. Mechanics and petroleum engineers have long recommended avoiding stations during active deliveries because that sediment can get drawn into the fuel you're pumping. Fill up during this window, and that disturbed mixture flows straight into your tank. Your fuel filter works overtime. Your injectors get exposed to particles they shouldn't see. Fuel burns less efficiently when contaminated. The debris settles again within a few hours, so if you spot a delivery truck, drive to another station or come back later. Your engine will thank you. Now, the next secret tackles a fuel myth that's been passed down for generations, and it's completely wrong. Secret number 11. The tire pressure truth. If you wait for the tire pressure warning light before adding air, you've already lost money. Most drivers don't realize how that system actually works. The TPMS light only triggers when pressure drops 25% below the recommended level. For a typical car, that's about 8 psi. But according to the Department of Energy, every single psi drop in all 4 tires reduces fuel economy by 0.2%. By the time that light comes on, you've been bleeding efficiency for weeks. A National Highway Traffic Safety Administration survey found that only 19% of drivers keep all 4 tires properly inflated. That means over 80% are wasting fuel without knowing it. Here's the fix. Check your tires once a month with a $2 gauge. Find the recommended pressure on the sticker inside your driver's door jamb, not on the tire sidewall. That sidewall number is the maximum, not the target. Proper inflation improves mileage, extends tire life, and keeps handling predictable. Ignore it, and you're paying for resistance your engine has to fight through with every single mile. And speaking of drag, the next secret target's something bolted to your roof that's bleeding fuel economy even when it's empty. Secret number 10. The roof rack drain. Roof racks, crossbars, cargo boxes, they're useful when you need them, but most of the time they sit up there doing nothing except destroying your fuel economy. A study by Lawrence Berkeley National Laboratory found that empty roof racks waste over 100 million gallons of fuel every year across all drivers. Per vehicle, that's a 2 to 5% efficiency hit just from the bars alone, and it gets worse at speed. At 75 miles per hour, crossbars can tank your mileage by up to 12%. Cargo boxes, even when completely empty, create so much aerodynamic drag that efficiency drops by a staggering 25%. Here's the physics. Your engine works to push air out of the way. Anything mounted on your roof creates turbulence and resistance that the engine has to overcome. More resistance means more fuel burned for the same distance traveled. The fix is obvious. If you're not actively using the rack or box, take it off. 5 minutes with a wrench puts money back in your tank every single trip. Next, we're exposing a fuel myth your grandfather probably taught you. It sounds logical, but science says otherwise. Secret number 9, the morning fuel myth. Fill up early in the morning when fuel is cooler. You'll get more gas per gallon because cold liquid is denser. You've probably heard this advice 100 times. It sounds like solid physics, and it's almost completely useless. Here's the reality. Underground storage tanks sit about 10 feet below the surface. That depth insulates them from temperature swings throughout the day. Whether you fill up at 6 in the morning or 6 at night, fuel temperature only varies by 1 to 3 degrees. Nowhere near enough to affect what the pump delivers. But here's what actually does change and what no one talks about. Seasonal fuel blends. In summer, refineries produce fuel with lower volatility to prevent evaporation in the heat. In winter, they blend fuel that ignites more easily in cold conditions. The catch is that winter blend contains less energy per gallon. That's why your mileage mysteriously drops every fall and rises every spring. It's not your driving, it's the fuel itself. The morning timing won't save you anything, but understanding seasonal blends explains mileage swings that confuse drivers every year. And the next secret targets a habit that kills fuel economy faster than almost anything else on this list. Secret number 8, the short trip killer. Quick runs to the store, dropping kids at school, grabbing coffee 2 miles away. These short trips seem harmless, but they're one of the biggest fuel economy destroyers most drivers never consider. The problem is engine temperature. Your car runs most efficiently when the engine reaches operating temperature, typically between 190 and 220 degrees Fahrenheit. Until it hits that range, the computer commands a richer fuel mixture to keep everything running smoothly. More fuel, less efficiency. According to EPA data, short trips can increase fuel consumption by up to 30%, especially in colder weather when warm-up takes even longer. Your catalytic converter needs heat too. Until it reaches optimal temperature, emissions control suffers and efficiency drops further. Drivers who make several 1 to 3 mile trips throughout the day burn dramatically more fuel than someone who combines those errands into one longer drive. The fix is simple. Batch your errands, plan routes that let the engine stay warm between stops. 1 round trip beats 4 cold starts every time. If you're picking up useful tips, hit the like button so this reaches more drivers. And stay locked in. The next 7 secrets are the ones the fuel industry guards the closest. Secret number 7, the cruise control advantage. Modern cars come packed with driver assistance features, yet studies show only 27% of drivers regularly use cruise control. A third never use it at all. That's a massive financial mistake hiding behind an unused button. Here's what happens when you control speed manually. Your foot constantly adjusts. Tiny accelerations, small decelerations, fluctuations you don't even notice. Research shows that varying speed between 47 and 53 miles per hour every 18 seconds increases fuel consumption by 20%. Aggressive driving is even worse. Rapid acceleration and hard braking at highway speeds can slash efficiency by up to 30%. Your engine works hardest during speed changes, not while maintaining steady velocity. Cruise control eliminates that waste. Adaptive cruise control goes further by smoothing out the stops and starts in traffic. Studies show drivers save 5 to 7% on fuel just by letting the system maintain pace. The benefit compounds over long highway drives: less fuel burned, less wear on brakes, and less strain on the drivetrain, all from pressing one button. And the next secret is hiding inside your engine right now. The wrong choice here can quietly bleed efficiency for thousands of miles. Secret number 6, the oil viscosity trap. Most drivers assume oil is oil, pick a brand and move on. But the viscosity you choose directly affects how hard your engine works and how much fuel it burns. Viscosity measures how thick or thin oil flows. Thicker oil creates more internal resistance. Your crankshaft, camshafts, and bearings have to push through heavier fluid with every rotation. That resistance costs fuel. Studies show that using oil thicker than your manufacturer recommends can reduce fuel economy by 2 to 5%. In cold weather, the loss climbs higher because thick oil takes longer to circulate during warm-up. Your engine fights harder, burns more, and reaches efficiency later. The recommended viscosity is printed right on your oil filler cap. It's also in your owner's manual. That number exists because engineers calculated the exact balance between protection and efficiency for your specific engine. Using thinner oil than recommended isn't smart either. It saves friction but sacrifices protection under high heat and load. Stick with the spec. Your engine was designed around it, and the next secret costs you absolutely nothing to fix. Yet ignoring it bleeds fuel economy on every single trip. Secret number 5. The trunk weight penalty. Your car is hauling extra weight right now, and every pound costs fuel whether you realize it or not. According to the Department of Energy, every additional 100 pounds in your vehicle reduces fuel economy by roughly 1%. That doesn't sound like much until you open your trunk and actually look at what's been riding around for months. Old tools, sports equipment from last season, work supplies you forgot about, emergency kits that turned into junk drawers, strollers the kids outgrew, bags of donations that never made it to the drop-off. Most drivers carry 50 to 200 pounds of unnecessary weight without even thinking about it. That's up to 2% of your fuel economy gone on every single trip. Over a year of driving, that penalty adds up to real money. And it gets worse in stop-and-go traffic where your engine constantly accelerates that dead weight from a standstill. The fix takes 10 minutes and costs absolutely nothing. Empty the trunk, clear the back seat, keep only what you actually need. Your engine moves less mass, burns less fuel, and your mileage climbs instantly. And the next secret settles a debate that's divided drivers for decades. The answer might surprise you. Secret number 4, the AC versus windows debate. Turn off the AC to save gas. Roll down the windows instead. You've heard this advice for years, but the real answer depends entirely on how fast you're driving. At low speeds, around city driving in neighborhoods, air conditioning puts extra load on your engine. The compressor draws power and fuel consumption can rise by 10 to 15% compared to windows down. In extreme heat, that penalty can hit 30%. But the equation flips on the highway. Open windows create aerodynamic drag that forces your engine to work harder. The Department of Energy found that at speeds above 55 to 60 miles per hour, running AC actually uses less fuel than fighting the drag from open windows. The crossover point varies by vehicle shape. Boxy SUVs hit it sooner. Sleek sedans can get away with windows down a bit longer. But the rule holds: low speed, use windows. Highway speed, use AC. One more tip: hit the recirculation button when running AC. It cools air already inside the cabin instead of pulling hot air from outside, reducing how hard the system works. Next, tiny sensors inside your engine are quietly sabotaging your fuel economy. And most drivers have no idea. Secret number 3, the sensor sabotage. Your engine relies on sensors to calculate exactly how much fuel to inject with every combustion cycle. When those sensors drift or fail, your fuel economy tanks without warning. The oxygen sensor is the most common culprit. It monitors exhaust gases and tells the computer whether the engine is running rich or lean. When it gets lazy or fails, the system defaults to dumping extra fuel as a safety measure. That can slash mileage by 15 to 20% overnight, The mass airflow sensor causes similar damage. It measures how much air enters the engine so the computer can match it with fuel. When it gets dirty, readings skew, and the engine overcompensates with a richer mixture. Here's the problem. These failures happen gradually. Your mileage drops over weeks or months, so most drivers never connect the dots. The check engine light might not trigger until the sensor completely fails. A can of MAF cleaner costs under $10 and takes 5 minutes. Replacing a worn oxygen sensor restores efficiency immediately. Both fixes pay for themselves within a few tanks. And the next secret targets a habit so common that most drivers do it every single day without realizing the cost. Secret number 2. The idling trap. Warming up the car before driving. Sitting in drive-thrus, waiting in parking lots with the engine running. These habits feel harmless, but idling burns fuel at a rate that shocks most drivers when they see the numbers. According to the EPA, idling consumes between a quarter and half a gallon of fuel per hour, depending on engine size. That means 10 minutes of daily idling wastes more than 30 gallons a year. 30 gallons of fuel that moved you exactly 0 miles. The old advice about warming up your engine comes from the carburetor era. Modern fuel-injected engines reach operating temperature faster by driving gently than by sitting still. Manufacturers recommend no more than 30 seconds of idle time before moving, even in winter. Idling also causes problems beyond wasted fuel. Incomplete combustion leads to carbon buildup. Exhaust system components corrode faster. Engine oil degrades quicker because the engine never reaches optimal temperature. The rule is simple. If you're stopped for more than 30 seconds and you're not in traffic, turn the engine off. Your fuel economy and your engine will both benefit. Now, the final secret. This one can cost you over $1,500 if you get it wrong. And most drivers make this mistake constantly. Secret number 1. The fueling extremes. Nobody enjoys stopping for gas, so drivers fall into 2 opposite habits that both cost serious money: running the tank near empty or topping off past the cliff. Either extreme creates problems most people never see coming. Running low constantly puts your fuel pump at risk. The pump sits inside the tank and relies on gasoline for cooling and lubrication. When fuel drops too low, the pump overheats and wears prematurely. Replacing a failed fuel pump costs between $800 and $1,500, including labor. That's a repair bill caused entirely by avoiding the gas station too long. Topping off after the nozzle clicks creates the opposite problem. Overfilling forces liquid fuel into the evaporative emission system, which is designed only for vapor. Once gasoline contaminates those components, the system fails. EVAP repairs run between $1,000 and $2,500. You also risk fuel spillage that damages your paint and wastes money on gas the pump may reabsorb while still charging you. The sweet spot is simple. Fill up when you hit a quarter tank. Stop when the pump clicks. That rhythm protects your fuel pump, keeps the EVAP system clean, and costs you nothing extra. And there you have it. 14 fuel secrets. The gas industry profits from every single day. Some save you pocket change. Others protect you from repairs that cost more than a monthly car payment. You don't need to use all 14 at once. Pick 3 or 4 that fit your routine. Stack the savings over weeks and months. The difference shows up every time you fill the tank. If this helped you, hit subscribe so you catch the next video before everyone else. Drop a comment and tell me which secret surprised you the most, and if you want to protect your engine even further, watch this video next. It covers maintenance mistakes that kill cars before they hit 100,000 miles.